Hey Dragonflies, it's me and Kelso here, and just want to show you really quickly how to access FlipGrid. Okay, so first you're going to click on a lesson, say this Kelso lesson right here. Okay, so you're going to click on that lesson, and it says Kelso's Choice Lesson 1, learning about small and big problems and how to solve them. Directions. Watch the Kelso 1 lesson, and then number 2, complete the FlipGrid activity. Okay, so you know how to access the Kelso lesson. This is a video that I made for the lesson. All right, you're going to come back to this FlipGrid activity, and you're going to click on that FlipGrid activity. And what it's going to do is it's going to take you to this window, and you are going to select Join with Google. Okay, so you're going to click Join with Google, and it's going to ask you to select your name, and then you'll see the activity. And do you see this button right here, this blue button with a book and a microphone? Select that, and this page will open. And this way it will read it to you. And then at the bottom is this play button. Okay, so you click play.
Choose one of Kelso's choices and tell about a time you used it. What was the conflict? Who was it with? What Kelso's choice did you use? Did it work? Could you have used a different one of Kelso's choices to solve your problem?
Okay, so it will read it to you. Right here, next to the play button, is our voice settings. If you select that, you can change if you want a female or a male voice and how fast you want it to read. Okay, by default, it sets it right here, which is in between the turtle and 1. Okay, and it's not quite the rabbit. The rabbit is really fast. After you have listened to this, you're going to go up here to this back arrow that says exit. Click on that, and then you're going to record a response. You're going to click on this button and record a response. Okay? You're going to talk about a time that you used Kelso, and did it work? And if it didn't work, did you try a different Kelso choice? Okay, we already have some responses already. So hope that helps. Good luck.